Timely or time-based. Here we are with the last element in our SMART framework. And to be time-based, your goal should have a date to start and a date to end. It should be done within a specific period of time. Ask yourself how much time do you need to accomplish your goal and from when to when. Let's take some examples. The merchandising company. I want to increase sales by selling 3,000 pieces of clothes, 1,000 for each month. But to make it timely, we may say starting from Jan 1st, ending in March 30. Now your goal is done. We are specific, measurable, actionable, realistic, and time based. And for the next example, the student who wants to learn English, he says, I want to be good in English by learning the four skills, each skill in 2 months. And now, to be time based or timely, we will say starting from Jan 1st, ending in June 30. Now our goal is time based or timely. Thank you so much and see you in the next lecture.